We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In American English, this is normally said as bonnet, bonnet. You do want to pronounce the T at the end. In British English, however, this is normally pronounced as bonnet, with more of an O sound. Bonnet in British English versus bonnet in American English. Did you get it? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce related words and non-related words, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.